In this lesson, we are going to learn how to derive the formula for geometric series. But we have to remember that for geometric series, Sn is equal to the first term plus the second term, AR plus the third term, AR squared plus the fourth term, AR cubed, like that. Remember, Tn is equal to AR n minus 1. It goes on like that. Let's just put the last three. So the third last term will be AR to the power n minus 3. The second last term will be AR to the power n minus 2. Then the last term will be AR to the power n minus 1. Now proving these two, what do we do? This is very easy because you don't need to think. You have to follow these steps. It's procedural or it's a routine question. Right? Looks complicated, but just know that you have to follow the steps and then you're done. Sn is equal to, remember when we're proving the formula for arithmetic series, we added the two Sn's, but now in this case, we're not going to add them. You have to multiply Sn by R. So we're going to have R Sn like this. Then we multiply everything by R here. And then A times R, what do we get? We're going to get AR. And then AR times R is going to be AR squared. And then we have AR squared times R is going to be AR cubed. And it's going to go on like that. AR cubed times R is going to be AR to the power 4. Right, plus. And then AR to the power n minus 3. What is it going to be? Let's try to do this one here. AR n minus 3 times R to the power 1. So we're adding the exponents here. It becomes n minus 3 plus 1. So it becomes, and then AR to the power n minus 2 times R is going to be, the exponents are going to be n minus 2 plus 1, which is n minus 1. Then AR n minus 1 times R is going to be AR. Then n minus 1 plus 1 is going to be n. And then if you check, we have this part here. We have this part, which is just the same. We have this part here. So now the first one, let's derive this one. We say subtract Sn from R Sn. Now if you subtract these two, these ones at the center will just cancel each other out. They'll cancel each other out. If you subtract AR minus AR is 0, AR squared minus AR squared is 0. So everything will just cancel out. And then you're going to just remain with what? With AR to the power n minus A. Okay, because we're subtracting Sn from R Sn. So we're saying R Sn minus Sn. So it's going to be AR to the power n minus A. After that, you factorize. So what's common here? Sn. So Sn outside, then we have R minus 1 is equal to, what is common here is A. Then A, then in the brackets we're going to have R to the power n minus 1 like this. And then after this, divide by R minus 1 both sides. Sn is equal to A, then R to the power n minus 1 over R minus 1. That's the first one. Then the second one, subtract R Sn from Sn. So we're saying Sn minus R Sn. So it's going to be A minus A times R to the power n. Then what's common here? Sn. So we say Sn. And then we're going to have 1 minus R. Then what's common here is A, and then 1 minus R to the power n. Right, then what do we do? Divide by 1 minus R on both sides of the equation. Sn is equal to A, 1 minus R to the power n over 1 minus R. Remember that r cannot be equal to 1, because if r is equal to 1, then it becomes what? Undefined. So that condition r should not be equal to 1. Even here, r should not be equal to 1. Okay.